Hello, my name is Sonia Ross. I'm a psychotherapist, an intuitive messenger, and an author. Welcome to the energy forecast and reading for Life Path 9 for April 2024. This is the energy forecast and reading for Life Path 9 for April 2024. So welcome, Life Path 9. I'm so happy you are here. First, I'd just like to say that these readings are not predictive. They are not fortune telling. I do not believe in that. It is not empowering and it does not help anyone. These readings are energy forecasts about the energies that are working in your life that may present themselves in April 2024 for you and how you can best work with them and attune yourself to them for your benefit. And if the energies are more tumultuous, then how to best support yourself in your mind and your body and your spirit so you can navigate these energies with more ease and grace. Sometimes I may say something very specific, like I just did a reading for Life Path 8. That felt very specific. And so it may really seem like, wow, I really feel like she's talking to me. But ultimately, this is not about giving you a prediction. It's about empowering you so that you know how to navigate the energies of your life in the best way possible, work through energies that may be a little bit more tumultuous with ease and grace. So let's go ahead and begin. Let me adjust myself here. Here's my shirt about the cat. Okay, so I've already confirmed with Spirit that I have the right card, so we're going to begin. So the anchoring energy of the reading is the Seven of Wands. Okay, the next card we have is the King of Wands, but he's going to be in the reverse position. It's going to be the energy that you are currently accessing. The Queen of Pentacles, okay, the Six of Swords, energy just came up in another reading, and the Ace of Swords. I've had half of these cards show up in all my readings, where, mind you, there are 78 cards in the deck, but the King of Wands is showing up a lot for the April of 2024. The Six of Swords is showing up a lot. Ace of Swords is showing up a lot. I'm just letting everybody know. April of 2024 for everyone is going to have a lot of air energy. A lot of things are going to be going on with the mind. You maybe see people, I'm not trying to wish this on anybody, but people may be acting in more disturbed ways because their thinking is not clear. Because the air energy has shown up heavy, 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 heavy for all of the readings for April of 2024. It's going to be a heavy air month. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Heavy. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so the overarching theme for the next 30 to 60 days for you, Life Path 9, is going to be hard work. It is going to be hard work around the things that you're most passionate about, the things that most inspire you, and the things that give you a lot of fire and motivation. So you're going to be putting in a lot of work and effort and motivation, a lot of work and effort with the things that motivate you. In the reverse position is the King of Wands. So the King of Wands is a being that has mastery of the wand energy, which is inspiration, spirituality, fire, activation, passion, motivation, creativity. But this is coming up in the reverse. So this is saying to me that there's this access, this mastery of these things is something you have been trouble accessing within yourself. Let me see if that's correct. Yeah, you're blocked in your energy of mastery. You're blocked. And so you're working really hard, but you're also feeling blocked. Like you can't really get a handle on it the way you would want to. So then you have in the center of the readings, you have the Queen of Pentacles energy. And so in certain ways, you have an energy around you where you may be feeling really good. You may be thriving. Things may have be going well with your health, your physical body, your finances. And so you're having an energy that you have an energy to access that's very abundant when it comes to your physical self. like you've been really taking care of yourself. I'm getting especially around finances. You really have been focused on your finances. You've been focused on them and learning how to nurture them and master them and take care of the things that have to do with your material reality and the world. And you've gained a lot of wisdom around that and a lot of maturity. So that's why we have the Queen of Pentacles coming up. But then we have two air cards coming up. So there's something going on around your energy and your thinking where you want to move to smoother waters. You want certain mental situations in your life to calm down. I don't know if it has to do with relationships or what, but you want certain you want certain relationships in your life to calm down, or you need to calm yourself down mentally around certain relationships you have because they've been kind of rocky and you're looking to transition to a place of smoother waters where things are calmer. And that would make sense because the last card is the Ace of Swords. And so the Ace of Swords is like, I like that they call it the sword of truth because it's like piercing through the veil. It's piercing through the veil of maybe how you may have thought about things in the past, how you may have mentally navigated things in the past. And you're looking to begin to navigate things in a smoother and easier way. You're looking to navigate things in a smoother and easier way. And what will help you do that is by speaking your truth, not suppressing it anymore, and really being clear about how you feel about a situation, how you feel about situations, how you feel about relationships, how you feel about life. Yeah. Yeah. Because you are working, the overarching theme is that there's a lot of energy of hard work around you, especially around the things that you are most passionate about, but you're feeling blocked in certain ways. Yeah. But you're doing good in other ways. But there's other things that are plaguing your mind that have really kind of like run their course for you, and you need to step into in a new way, in a new direction about them. Spirit, what do you have to say? Okay, so what Spirit wants to say about the Seven of Wands energy? That you've been working very hard, but all you can't do is work. That you've been working very hard, but all you cannot just keep working, 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 and putting in effort. Is it out of balance? Some, some out of balance, but maybe you're working hard on some projects and you're not quite reaching the fruition and the fulfillment that you want, which makes sense because you get the King of Wands in reversed. And so you need to find balance. You have to figure out what it is going on with you that you working really, really hard on these projects, but it's not bringing you the fulfillment that you want. It's not taking you to the next level where you want them to go. What is happening inside of you? Spirit is saying that whatever you're really working hard, but whatever is limiting you, it's limiting you from within. Maybe it's your thought or belief about yourself, or maybe that you need to kind of change course and create and connect with your joy and your creativity and your passions in new ways. And maybe there are new ways you may not have wanted to accept, or maybe there's a pivot that you need to make that you've not been open to making because maybe it's new or it's outside of your wheelhouse, or you're more comfortable doing the thing that you've been doing and things like that, but you've been really working hard, but you're blocked in certain ways. And Spirit wants you to turn within and see how you are blocking yourself. What energy you need to clear so that you can step into your King of Wands energy. Because you're already in your Queen of Pentacles energy, which is fabulous, which is connected to your intuition and wisdom around the material world, around physicality. And it says, I'm getting this has to do with your health and finances, and that you've been really connected with your health and finances and bolstering and making those things better. But you really need to work on your mind and your thinking. You really need to work on your mind and your thinking so that things can smooth out for you. But the way that they will smooth out is when you begin speaking your truth, cutting through the BS, of course, with civility and compassion and grace, but really not stifling yourself and using your voice, clarifying your thinking, and then stating what it is that is most important to you. Okay. So I hope that made sense for you, 9. I hope that made sense for you. So now we're going to go to the angels, give you an angel message. Angels, one card for Life Path 9 for April 2024. One card for Life Path 9 for April 2024. Please speak to us. One card for you, Life Path 9. Let's see what the angels have to say. Learning experience. See if that's reflected in these cards here. Yeah, because you're doing a lot of hard work. And it's been a learning experience for you, right? Yeah. Hold on. Okay. You have dedicated a lot of time, effort, and energy to understanding yourself and the world, and have had many experiences recently that have been great teachers. Even though not everything has been easy or perfect, there has been a positive in that you have come to understand yourself and your gifts and your abilities better than ever. 7 of Wands. You are deeply connected to who you are, what you stand for, and what's important to you in life. When this card appears for you, angels are acknowledging the challenges and obstacles you have surmounted recently. Although it may have been a difficult time for you, your faith and inner strength have increased. Know that the cloud has a silver lining, and you will soon have moved beyond the feeling of being stuck or unsupported. Extended message: inner peace and a sense of inner peace and a sense of security come from overcoming hardships. Without the challenges that life has presented to you, you probably wouldn't be the person you are today. This is a time for you to reflect on the incredible strength you have. No matter what has gone wrong for you, you have made your way through the darkness and into the light. When this card appears for you, your angel guide is inviting you to ask yourself, what have I learned from this? This card represents the teacher you have within, and through integrity and connection, you will be able to find a message within the mystery. If you are still facing challenges, you are being encouraged to keep going and trust that the worst will soon be over. The light at the end of the tunnel is you. So, you've done a lot of hard work, but you have to work on your mind and your thinking. Okay. So, learning experience. Okay. So, thank you so much, Life Path 9. I hope this reading resonated with you. If you would like a personal reading, more in-depth reading, you can see the information to contact me in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with others that you feel like it would resonate with. Please leave me a comment below. Please leave a comment below and please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So, I'm Sonia Ross. I'm a psychotherapist, intuitive messenger, and an author. And I'm wishing you all the best, Life Path 9, for April 2024 and beyond. Peace.